Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In the last session, we solved simultaneous linear equation using a graphical method. We drew the graph for those linear equations and we got two straight lines which were intersecting each other, and at the point of intersection was actually the solution for the simultaneous equations. Now coming to the second method, which is elimination method, and I'm going to use the same equations for the elimination method. In this method, as the name is applying, that either I'm going to eliminate x or y, and once I have eliminated one variable, I'll be having the value for the other. So let's do that. For first thing is, I'm going to name these equations as 1 and 2. So how do we eliminate the variables? We eliminate the variables by either adding the two equations or subtracting the two equations. Now in this case, if I add or subtract the two equations, I can see here that the coefficient of x in the first equation is 1 and the coefficient of x in the second equation is 3. So if I add them, I'm going to have 4x, not eliminated. If I subtract them, I'll either get 2 or minus 2x, so not eliminated. But if I look at coefficients of y, both are 1. So it means that if I subtract these two equations, I'm going to eliminate y. So let's do that. So subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So our second equation is 3x plus y is equal to 5, and the first equation is x plus y is equal to 3. So as I said, subtracting 1 from 2. So why I am doing that? Why I am subtracting equation 1 from 2? Because of this coefficient. So by subtracting, I will have the positive coefficient, right? So when we are subtracting in algebra, so I am subtracting this equation from this, the signs will be changed, right? So what I am going to have here, 3x minus x, we have 2x. Y minus y, it is eliminated. This is what we wanted. And 5 minus 3 is 2. So x is equal to 1. See, x is equal to 1 was the value we got using a graphical method. So it's same value is obtained through elimination method. Now, how to get the value of y? We'll substitute substituting value of x in any of these two equations. In equation 1, so I have here x plus y is equal to 3, so 1 plus y is equal to 3, so y is equal to 2. So the values are the same which we obtained through the graphical method. So another method for solving the simultaneous equation, and we have the same solution. And we have already checked in the previous session that if we have x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, we applied those solutions in these equations and the left hand side was equal to the right hand side. So let's do one more example for the elimination method. Okay, the second example for the elimination method is 2x plus 5y is equal to 25 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 9. These are our simultaneous equations, and the first thing, naming it equation 1, equation 2. So since now we know that how to eliminate, so if we look at these two equations, coefficients of x are 2, coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of y 5, coefficient of y minus 2. So in both equations, the coefficients are of either x or y are not same. It means that we cannot eliminate either of them by adding or subtracting. So what do we do? So as we can see here, y is positive here, y is negative here. So let's use this. Coefficient of y is 5 here and coefficient of y is -2 here. So what are we going to do? We're going to multiply this whole equation with 2 and this whole equation with 5. So multiplying equation 1 by 2, so we have here 4x plus 10y is equal to 50. So we can say it's equation number 3. Okay, now multiplying equation 2 by 5. So we have here 15x minus 10y is equal to 45. Okay, so we can say it's 4. Okay, so we have now the situation where we can eliminate either y or x. So we can eliminate y easily. So adding, since the sign of y is different in both equations, so that is why I'm going to adding equation 3 and 4. So I have here 4x plus 10y is equal to 50. 15x minus 10y is equal to 45. So what do we have here? 19x is equal to 95. It is eliminated. So x is equal to 19 5s are 95. So x is equal to 5. So we have the value of one variable, which is 5. So let's substitute. Now we have 4 equations. This. You can apply this value in any of the equations. So let's apply in equation number 2. Just randomly, you can apply in any. Okay. Substituting value of x in equation 2. So what is x? 3 into 5 minus 2y is equal to 9. So 15 minus 2y is equal to 9. Minus 2y is equal to 9 minus 15, which is minus 2y is equal to, it is like minus 6. So y is equal to 3. So we got our solution. Okay. Now to check either the solution is correct or not, check. So first equation, we have here 2 into 5 plus 5 into 3 is equal to 25, which is 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. 25 is equal to 25. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Checked. Second equation, 3 into 5 minus 2 into 3 is equal to 9. So 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 9 is equal to 9. Checked. Okay. Our solution is correct. So now we know how to solve the simultaneous equation using 2 methods, graphical method and elimination method. And we also have checked our solutions, whether they satisfy the equations or not. If they are satisfying the equations, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So now in the next session, we'll do substitution method. So for now, thank you very much. Hope you got the idea of the solving simultaneous equations. Thank you.